Hi, I'm Jennifer, and I'm so happy you're here today for the Quick and Easy Meals collaboration. This collaboration is hosted by Simply Grace Lifestyle, Debbie Bubbles, Jean Home Decor and more, and me, Jennifer at Home. Be sure to check out all the participating channels listed below, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. For my salsa, I'm going to start chopping up these red onions. You could use any type of onions you like. I just happen to have these, and I'm going to use them up for my salsa. I have my onions all diced up, and now I'm going to add in some drained rotel. That was a 10-ounce jar of rotel, and now I'm going to add in a 14.5-ounce can of diced tomatoes, drained. I've added in some cilantro and lime juice, and now I'm going to add in some cumin, about a teaspoon. And I'll add in about a teaspoon of garlic powder. We have one more thing to add. This is a lot of tomatoes, so we're going to need to add in some salt. And here it is. In just a couple of minutes, we have a big fresh bowl of homemade salsa. I usually add in some jalapeno peppers and a little bit of the juice. However, I didn't have any today, and I'm just making a mild salsa today. Always be sure to taste your salsa and see if it needs anything else, more salt or anything else. That's really good. I always store my salsa in a disposable or glass container because the smells can really get into the plastic. I'm so happy you were here. I had such a great time putting this recipe together to share. I would be so happy if you check out the other channels listed below, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. And I'll see you next time.